Julius Abure, the former national chairman of the Labour Party, is getting worked up because Peter Obi said that he's going to run the next election on the platform of the party. Because of that, he has come out quickly to say that Peter Obi will have to contest for the primaries or something of that nature, that the Labour Party ticket is not automatic for Peter Obi, and that the coalition talk that Peter Obi is getting involved in with, that Peter Obi is not representing the Labour Party because the Labour Party has no interest in the coalition. The Labour Party is ready to go it alone in 2027. But interestingly, Nenadi Usman, the acting national chairman of the party, quickly intervened and said that Peter Obi has the support, the full support of the Labour Party. And don't forget that Nenadi Usman is the chairman that is recognized by the Nigerian Labour Congress, because the Nigerian Labour Congress is the organization that owns Labour Party, that registered Labour Party. It belongs to the Nigerian workers and not to Julius Abure. Now it's interesting that Julius Abure has forgotten so soon that he was the one, after that their Oka Jamboree, that they claim reaffirmed him as the national chairman. He was the first to declare that Peter Obi and Alex Soti, that they have automatic tickets in 2027. But shortly after he said that, and there was another meeting in which his National Executive Committee was declared null and void, he quickly announced that there is no more automatic ticket for Alex Soti. So automatic ticket is being traded based on the whims and caprices of Julius Abure. But there is something that is important for Julius Abure to note, which some of us who are students of contemporary politics in Nigeria have to remind him, is that Peter Obi is Labour Party anywhere he goes. And the authentic Labour Party, backed by the Nigerian Labour Congress, Nigerian Labour Congress, they are solidly behind him. Peter Obi carries the Labour Party everywhere he goes, and anywhere he set his foot on, because he epitomizes excellency in the Labour Party. Because the Labour Party was going astray until Peter Obi stepped in and make it a national party in the real sense of the word, and make it even unrecognizable for those who operated in that space before him. So he has no right to talk about Labour Party as if it is his own personal property. Because if it was his personal property, he was not able to take it to anywhere until Peter Obi arrived at the scene. In any case, it can't be his personal property because it belongs to the Nigerian workers. Perhaps he has forgotten the history of Labour Party. Let me give him a hint of where Labour Party was before Peter Obi came in. And that should be a lesson for all of us, especially those who are claiming to be leaders in Labour Party, backing Abure and all these things he's doing. We need to give them a breakdown of Labour Party. Even though Labour Party had been in existence since about 2002 or thereabout as a registered political party, the truth remains that it was nowhere to be found when it comes to national election. Let me shock you. Despite all the noises that people are making now about Labour Party, that they are the kingmakers, they are this and that in Labour Party. In 2011, Labour Party had no presidential candidate. That was how bad Labour Party was. It has no presidential candidate in 2011. This was a party that had been in existence since 2002. In 2011, it has no presidential candidate. What did it do? It endorsed Goodluck Jonathan, the then sitting president of the PDP, who was running for his first tenure. You know, Jonathan took over after the death of Umar Musa Yar'Adua on May 10th, May 5th, 2010. So Jonathan became president until 2011, when he now contested. Labour Party endorsed Jonathan, the PDP candidate, and said that they will not present a candidate because Jonathan's policies was in line with their party's agenda, sort of. They did the same thing again 4 years later. In 2015, Labour Party had no presidential candidate. They endorsed Jonathan again. Jonathan, unfortunately, lost. In 2019, Labour Party, now seeing that from the body language of Buhari don't give a damn about them. Buhari don't care. He wasn't looking for any endorsement. They have already planned out how they are going to do the election. So he doesn't care about endorsement from any quarters. So Labour Party was in a fix on what to do. So he now have no option but to have a presidential candidate. And the presidential candidate they had at 2019, I'm sure many of you don't know his name. As I talk to you now, you will get to know his name now when I'm going to mention it. The name of the Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2019 election, his name is Mohammed Usman Zaki. That was the Labour Party presidential candidate in 2019 election. And do you know how many votes he got in the whole nation? Even Sowore of AAC got better vote than him in 2023. And that says a lot. Do you know how many votes that Labour Party presidential candidate, Mohammed Usman Zaki, he got 5,074 votes. Mark my words, 5,074 votes in the whole Nigeria. That was the votes. Where were the Abures? Because they were all part of the Labour Party establishment at that time, holding one position. Where were they when this man got only 5,074 votes? That was the vote nationally, nationwide. he represented 0.02% of the total votes that was cast in that election. Then, 4 years later, Peter Obi stepped into the scene and became your party candidate. And took your party, the party that got only 5,074 votes 4 years ago. 4 years later, in the space of 4 years, Peter Obi came to the scene and he campaigned, he ran the list, he campaigned without structure, no local government chairman, no state house of assembly member, no senator, no governor, no nothing. And was on the verge of winning the election before INEC switch off the electronic transmission of the result deliberately, according to Lai Mohammed. You can't compare somebody who carried that kind of aura and challenge him that he is not Labour Party. Anywhere he opens his mouth, as long as he states that he is in Labour Party, he carries the spirit of the Labour Party because he made Labour Party what it is. And I can tell you for free, any day Peter Obi steps out of Labour Party, it will return to its former status. It will return to where Mohammed Usman Zaki left it. A party that will get only 5,074 votes in a national election, in presidential election. That is where it will return back to. Once Peter Obi remove his presence from that party. So people like Abure should be careful. The way they talk about Peter Obi and Labour Party as if they have any better alternative than Peter Obi in Labour Party. That is the truth. Once Peter Obi is not involved with it, Labour Party will be nowhere to be found. We have seen it all. Even though Labour Party was a workers' party, registered on their behalf, why didn't they vote for the Labour Party in 2019? Why didn't they vote for the Labour Party in 2019? All these people. Because there was nobody to galvanize them. And the presidential candidate, Mohammed Usman Zaki, couldn't galvanize anybody. He couldn't motivate anybody to cast a vote for him. So if Abure, because of his determination to continue to be relevant in the party, is challenging Peter Obi, why is he getting involved with coalition without their approval? And that Labour Party is not part of any coalition. He's missing the point. As long as Peter Obi keep on insisting, at least for now, that he's running under Labour Party, I think Abure has no business telling him that he doesn't represent Labour Party. Because Peter Obi represents Labour Party. He is the face of Labour Party. That is the truth. Peter Obi represents the face of the Labour Party. And once Peter Obi makes the announcement that he has stepped out of the Labour Party will now realize that it is no different from so many briefcase political parties that are existing in Nigeria. And it will return to its former position of endorsement of presidential candidates of the ruling party. And I will not be surprised if we wake up one day and we hear that Abure has endorsed Tinubu. Mark my word. Mark my word. Abure is likely headed in the direction that Labour Party used to be, where they endorse presidential candidates of the ruling party of the day. Don't be shocked as he keep on all the shenanigans, insisting that he is still the national chairman. Very soon, when the push got to shove, you will hear Abure come on national television to say they have endorsed Tinubu. Let it not surprise you. But then you know that Labour Party is about to return to what it used to be, just a mere briefcase political party. I don't know what to think about Abure's throwing of jabs on Peter Obi, saying that he's not representing the Labour Party in the coalition talk. And he's claimed and he said that Peter Obi does not have automatic ticket. Of course, Peter Obi is a Democrat. He doesn't. He will not. He wouldn't even want. It doesn't look good. The optics don't look good. Peter Obi to get automatic ticket. He would like to participate and contest with others. But the fact remains that you cannot take away that Labour Party is Peter Obi for now. Peter Obi recreated Labour Party in his own image, and that is how, almost similar to what Donald Trump did with the Republican Party in America, where he rebranded Republican Party in the image of Donald Trump. And now what you have is MAGA Republican Party, Make America Great Republican Party, made in the image of Donald Trump. And if you look at Peter Obi, he has recreated Labour Party, making it the party for the new Nigeria. The party for the new Nigeria. The party that will take Nigeria from consumption to production. Nobody has been able to transform a political party the way Peter Obi had done with Labour Party. And we have to give him his flowers. And he don't need distractions from people like Abure. That's my take. I don't know what is your position, but whatever you think about these developments in the Labour Party, whatever is your thought about it, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.